we will create Ghibli-style AI art on Leonardo.ai. Visit the image creation page of Leonardo.ai. On the left panel, the customization parameters are available. For the model, select Anime Model. For style, select Anime Retro. Other parameters are default for free users. Free users get 150 tokens daily for image generation. These tokens are refreshed every day. Here we get a style reference option. Leonardo.ai cannot create Ghibli-style art just from the prompt, so we need to provide a Ghibli-style image for reference. After providing the reference image, we can write the prompt for the type of image we want generated. Here we are creating a Ghibli-style art of futuristic city. The prompt will generate 4 images as it is the default parameter for free users. 12 tokens will be used for single execution. Amount of tokens used is based on the type of selected model. As seen, the generated images represent the Ghibli-style artwork very accurately. All the generated images are downloadable without compromising the quality of image.